5.2005 Toyota Corolla 4-doors car. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas I4, 1.8 L108, FWD front-wheel drive, tires front all-season, tires rear all-season, compact spare tire, wheel covers, steel wheels, power steering, front disc rear drum brakes, daytime running lights, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, cloth seats, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, second row bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, tire pressure monitoring system, power door locks, power windows, keyless entry, vehicle anti-theft system, AC, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo, CD player, auxiliary power outlet, wood grain interior trim, front reading lamps, passenger airbag on-off switch, child safety locks.